I think that the most important was meeting with Mandy Kahan from Young Yiddish. I started with this maybe 2 years of traveling with my own Yiddish, songs that I learned, and I didn't have anybody who was conducting me. But then I found Young Yiddish, and Mandy invited me for like free stage performance in his wonderful alternative wellspring of Yiddish in Israel, in Central Bus Station, with chulent, with bissel herring and vodka, and we started to cooperate. And I like kind of left I from street musician I started to become like a stage musician. And then my first CD and my own project had the beginning during the festival, Jewish Music Festival in Krakow. I met with Eli Shapiro, the director of a Jewish festival in Berkeley. During a lecture about Israel music like a melting pot, we both were we had this question, what with Yiddish? Like, he didn't speak all this, like this melting pot didn't consist any Yiddish. So we started a discussion, and then I met Professor Barbara Kirschenblatt-Gimblet, and she gave me the idea of searching and to some unknown and Yiddish music material, and she told me about Maria Nierenberg, Jewish folk singer from Polesie, that she was born in the beginning of 20th century in little town Czarnawczyce near Kobryn in Polesie, which used to be one of the most wild and mysterious region of Europe in this time. And I was very much inspired also by her repertoire. That was beautiful ballads with big influence also of Slavic cultures and multilingual repertoire, and also by her life, that she was like the song was part of her everyday life and work. She was working in the fields. She was also singing with Ukrainian peasants girl, because she was exceptional that her family had piece of land, so she was also working in the fields. And I started to sing her songs and to make arrangements. I was practicing in Ein Karem, mostly in the forest and outside, and I was combining some songs with nigguns that came to me. Like I wrote it also in the booklet of my CD, that I believe that like nigunim, the wordless Jewish melodies, are kind of wandering spirits, that they are choosing some people, and they want that they will give them voice. So it came to me some niguns, and I combined it with the old ballads of Mariam, and very, very slowly the CD was born.